Aloha, I'm Kim Scott from Maui Powder Works. We love powder coating. We're here to make your metal look as good as you need it to perform. Since 2010, Maui Powder Works has been a thriving sandblasting and powder coating business. Islanders across the state choose us for their commercial and business projects. Our powder coating experts can make your metal surfaces more beautiful and longer lasting. The applications we do meet the high demands of corrosive environments and climate extremes in Hawaii every day. If you're looking for protection, durability, or colorful utility, then look to us to deliver proven industrial coatings that stand the test of time. The next time you're looking to solve a metal painting problem, try calling on us. Powder coating bonds powdered paint to metal through electrically charged particles and then heating in an oven at about 400 degrees. After the curing process is done, it leaves your project with the perfect no-drip finish. Did you know our industry is predicted to double from 12 billion to over 24 billion in the next 10 years? In fact, once you try powder coating, you'll soon realize how many everyday things are powder coated, leading you to look around the room and ask yourself, hey, can we powder coat this? We know there are many choices out there to getting your metal project painted. Here are the 4 best reasons why you want to get them powder coated. The process is cleaner and saves Hawaii's overburdened landfills from messy liquids and job cleanup. Our coatings give off negligible amounts of VOCs, volatile organic compounds, which can affect people and public spaces. If you've ever tried painting on metal with liquid paints, you know how long it takes to dry, especially in humid environments. Powder coatings make sense because regulations are getting tighter. Powders can fit many purposes, from high hiding to high visibility. Powders come in many different colors, textures, and looks. They can be applied based on the demand of performance or the specific purpose of installation. They are essentially liquid coatings in a powdered form, but without all the icky chemicals like thinners, dryers, and acetones that make paint smelly. Powders are made from mostly polyester and urethanes, which give them their durability and UV resistance from fading. Most are single-stage applications, and just like painting, adding a primer or clear coat can give your project super durability. From new construction to restoration, we share our expertise so customers can navigate the process of powder coatings to make the best choices to getting their projects done. Recently, we were named one of Product Finishing Magazine's top 50 job shops in the US. For us to be as competitive as mainland shops means our team has worked very hard to be the best, expand the market in Hawaii, and provide quality services. We've built this company from the ground up, employing and partnering with people passionate about performance finishes. With our combined experience, the flexibility of multiple ovens, and thousands of colors to choose from, we are Hawaii's choice when it comes to powder coating. I hope I have convinced you to use powder coatings more often and that Maui Powder Works becomes your local go-to custom coater. We look forward to working together to bring more sustainable powder coatings to the forefront in Hawaii. I'm Kim Scott. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you've learned something new about us and finding better alternatives to liquid paints. Let's make your metal look as good as you need it to perform. Please scan the QR code to find out more about our services and capabilities, or click the Locations tab above in the main menu to submit a quote and find out how to ship your project to us. Aloha!